Oh, are you going to LA too? Oh, yeah, I'm on standby though. Yeah, I work for the senator's office and I called in sick. They don't know that I'm here, so I have to get back tomorrow or else I might get fired and who knows what the senator would do without me. Oh, did you say you work for the senator's office? Well, my mom is good friends with the senator. They went to high school together and my mom's retirement party is tomorrow, so I'm trying to get out there to surprise her. So, that's why I need to get on the flight today. Yeah, if you didn't hear, I work for the senator's office and they don't give vacation at the senator's office. So I had to call in sick to go to my uncle's niece's funeral. So that's why I'm here, is for a funeral. Calling passenger 28.
That would be great. I have surgery first thing in the morning and, I just really appreciate it. Thank you so much.